Hello everyone, my name is Jason Hill and I'm a student at San Francisco State University. Today I will be going over with you the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation job description. If one possesses the necessary knowledge of the Microsoft PowerPoint program, then following the instructions and applying the tasks should be very quick and easy for you. Right now I will walk you through in part what is to be expected for these assignments. All assignments will be sent via email or Upwork. Within these assignments consist of starting files, supporting documents, and instructions for completing these projects. We will simply go to our email or Upwork, download the documents, and as you'll see, I've already downloaded them. Once the documents have been downloaded, we will open the instructions document and open the start file document as well. Here in the instructions document, you will see a list of instructions, tasks that need to be applied to the start file. As you'll see, some of the instructions and tasks require supporting documents, which you should have downloaded via Upwork or email as well. Once you have applied all of the instructions and tasks to the start file, simply email or Upwork the document back to me, and it will be reviewed. So let's go ahead and go over an example. If we scroll up to Project Step number 1, you'll see Youth Entrepreneurs Startup provides online training for first-time startup businesses. Recently, the company began an outreach campaign in local communities to teach aspiring entrepreneurs how to pitch online service applications for funding. To reinforce the startup feel of the presentation, merge the two shapes as described below. Project 1 or Project Step 1, Part A. On slide number 2, select the gray gear and green circle shapes, and then use the align commands to align the center of the shapes. So as you'll see, we're going to go down to slide number 2, and if you're knowledgeable with the PowerPoint program already, you should automatically know we're going to select both the gray gear and the green circle. And within that, we will go to Shape Format. And within Shape Format, we'll use the Arrange tab. Align, and then Center. There you go. We've just completed Project Step Part 1A. Moving on ahead, let's scroll down to Project Step number 3. On slide number 3, paying it forward, tips. Format the SmartArt as follows. Part A. Change the SmartArt color to colored field accent 3. So, if we scroll down to slide number 3, we'll see the SmartArt located right here. For this task, it's asking us to change the color to color field, or change the SmartArt color to color field accent number 3. Again, if you're knowledgeable in PowerPoint presentations, you'll automatically know. Select the entire SmartArt. We'll go down to SmartArt Design, change the colors, and we'll search for colored field accent 3. And then apply. There you go. We've just completed Project Step number 3, Part A. And within this assignment and instructions, there are many more project steps that need to be completed and applied to the starting file. If there are any questions or concerns in regards to the projects that are given, please do not hesitate to email me or message me via Upwork. Once all the instructions and tasks have been applied to the start file, simply message back the finished file to me via Upwork or email.